When you need a blade for high-performance cutting of large and difficult-to-cut material, the Q701 is a high-performance bandsaw blade, has an M71 Ground tooth cutting edge that is heat and wear resistant, with a 3% chrome backing, which significantly increases the life of the blade. Developed for high-performance cutting of large and difficult-to-cut material, this special design tooth enables you to reduce your feed force while maintaining desired chip removal. With its larger gullet and progressive 7 to 10 degree positive rake tooth geometry, this is an aggressive blade that has a high rate of penetration into the workpiece. The precise ground tooth improves chip carrying capacity and gives you the performance you need when cutting high alloys and carbon steels. The Q701 is a user-friendly blade that will work on virtually any bandsaw machine. You can cut stainless steel, D2, Monel, and all exotic alloys with one blade. When you need serious production on your cutting applications, try the Q701 bandsaw blade. Like all of our products, this blade is 100% guaranteed for quality. This and other blades are shipped with plastic tooth capping to enhance operator safety and ensure there is no tooth damage during the welding process or shipping. Utilizing the latest technology, the blades are welded in one of our weld centers throughout the United States. All orders are shipped within 48 hours to keep your production running. To demonstrate the capabilities, we are cutting this 8-inch 3/4 wall 3/16 stainless steel tubing in under 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So, come on and log on to Sawblade.com and run lean.